And our crew's trying to pull out. They're going to be close. The winding current's pushing him to the right, closer to the jet boat on the right-hand side. And our guy might just edge out here. Oh, no. Wifey's going to get her hands out there, give him the push-off, and they'll be good to go. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru Productions back down here at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79th Street. Crew's coming in on approach. We've got our guy on the stern ready to roll. Always get a little nervous when I see these guys standing out here on the stern like that. Cap gets a heavy throttle hand. My man could be swimming. They are making the tougher approach today as the wind and current's kind of coming from left to right across our screen. So here as they approach on 3, they're going to be battling those elements as they try and come in. Cap's going to have to come in kind of heavy bow forward. And a vessel like this is already a little tough to get on the dock because you don't have a bow we can step into really to get. You're going to have to step up on top of the cabin and get up there. So Cap, are we going to do a stern-in approach or are we just backing out? That wind and current's definitely caught the bow now. He's probably in a little bit of trouble and going to have to reset this one. A little 79th Street 360 action as our guy tries to reset up to approach this one more time. Gotta be careful when you hit that brake check like that. With the wind and current, it's gonna grab you every single time. So Cab's coming in a little wide. He's going to have to bring this one back around. Not sure why he doesn't just try and go to one of the other docks where he can let the wind and current push him in. But some of us like to do things the hard way. Coming in a little hot. He's going to have to brake check it. And we touch with the bow. Our guy in the stern doesn't quite look ready yet, though. And here comes Cap. I guarantee Cap's going to jump past this kid. Our kid's being too hesitant. Cap's going to be like, out of my way, bro. I got it. Now, of course, with both of them on the stern, we've got nobody on the bow. And here we go. Wind and currents grab the bow. Our guy's about to get kicked out on this again. And our guy on the stern's left the line, just dropped the line. And you would have figured they could have got somebody up into the bow of the boat and tried to get a line over. And our guy, he's kind of stuck here again. He's gonna have to start over again. And here we go, he's pulling out, and we're gonna have to do this all over. And our crew, I can't tell what they're doing. Oh, Cap, reverse, watch the dock, bro. And he's gotten himself into a little bit of mischief here because he's in between the docks and the boat is moving. So we're having to brake hard, which is causing him to go the opposite direction quickly. Is he going to pull out of this one without hitting the dock? I thought for sure. He still might kick it with the stern. And Wifey on the save on the stern, but my man pulled the full 360 inside of that slip. And they're going to get out of here. I thought for sure we were going to have somebody crashing into the dock there. But Wifey for the save. And our crew's going to be able to get out of here. But here we go, next batter up. Little heavy-handed on the throttle. Cap kicks back as Wifey gets the lines ready in the bow as we get ready on the approach. So Wifey needs to hang on with Cap hitting the throttle a little heavy. She could be sent flying here. Coming in a little hot, but Wifey's going to get the save on this one too. And guide him in. And Cap left the helm, grabbed the other line, and this crew's going to make it good to go as well. And Cap coming in on approach, nice angle, nice speed, and we're even going to get the assist off the dock. So we should be good to go. Oh, no. Cap hits the throttle. Look out. And we're going to hit the dock. Our guide quickly removes his feet between the boat and the dock. Probably a very smart idea. And here, Cap, you just got to kill the motor, bro. Let him drag you in. You're good to go. It's always the toughest one around the dock. I see Caps trying to do too much, man. Once you've got lines on the dock, especially if you've got two, like in this situation, you can pretty much kill that motor, call it a day, and be done. And speaking of being done, we're going to be done as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.